Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create a JavaScript login functionality with 4 roles: admin, staff, temp staff, and guest. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to open up our text editor and we need to create a folder. Inside that we will need 2 files, index.html and script.js. So in our HTML file we can just do the typical structure, and then we will include a script in the body, and the source will be script.js, so our file right here. Okay, and then now we can leave it a title of whatever you want. I'm just going to make it document for now, and inside our script.js we can type in a prompt. Okay, so let's get started with a prompt first for the user to enter a password. Okay, so prompt, and then the prompt will display please enter your password. Okay, now we will save these 2 files and then go to our browser and refresh. Go to our HTML page, we can see that there's a prompt that says please enter a password. So now let's go back to our text editor. We will assign the value of pass equals to this user input. Okay, so the admin, let's just give a note here. So admin, the password will be admin 12345 and then for staff, the password would be staff 123, and for temp staff is going to be temp 2022, and then guest equals to guest 2022. Now, of course, a real login functionality wouldn't work this simple, but this is just a simplified version of a login functionality. Okay, so now we're just going to check if the password is either of these. So we're going to say if, so we're going to check if the password is the admin password. So if the password is equal to admin 123456, then we would print out, let's say, alert, and then we'll say you are admin, or you are the admin. Okay, and then else if we'll add a block, else if the password is equal to staff 123. Okay, if it is equal to staff 123, then we're going to alert, oopsies, alert, we're going to alert you are staff. Okay, and then else if we're going to check if it's temp staff, so if the password is equal to temp staff, so temp 2022, then we're going to say alert you are temp staff. Okay, now we're going to check if the password is equal to guest 2022, and this shouldn't be a space. So if pass equals to guest 2022, then we're going to alert you are guest. Else, then we know that the password isn't one of these, so we're going to alert invalid password. Okay, so now we're going to save this file, and then we're going to go back to our browser and refresh. So we're going to first enter admin 123456, and then it says you are the admin. Okay, now we're going to enter something random. It says invalid password. we're going to try the staff now. It works, and temp 2022. It says you are temp staff. So we can see because we outputted your temp staff right here, and then the second last one, which is guest 2022. It says you are guest. Okay, now if we enter something else, as I showed you some at the first, it says invalid password because we're saying if the password is not one of these passwords, then we are going to enter invalid password and the user can try again. Okay, so this is it for this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.